SWIK is a single-use device intended to manage oral secretions in the mouth. Using SWIK requires two components: the mouthpiece with catheter, used for 12 hours at a time, and the extension tubing that can be used for up to a week at a time. Be sure to read the full instructions for use before beginning, and reach out to us at SWIK Medical if you have any questions. The mouthpiece and catheter attach to the extension tubing by pushing the two ends together and gently twisting to lock in place. The blue connector fits on your pump. Alternate the location of the tubing along the foam by gently sliding. Alternate sides frequently to avoid potential skin irritation. Connect the extension tubing to your pump. Saturate the foam mouthpiece with potable water per your hospital's protocol. Give it a gentle squeeze to avoid dripping. Wetting the foam helps the wicking process begin and makes it easier to place in the mouth. Now begin in the center of the mouth and, using your fingers, push the foam along the lower gum line, stretching to the back molars on both sides. You may find it useful to use a long cotton swab to push the foam into place. Now you can secure the tubing to the face with tape. Now you're ready to turn on your pump. You may want to start at -70 for a few seconds to fully evacuate the mouth, and then adjust the suction level to -20 to -40 for extended use.